All right, guys, so I'm sanding over some of the parts, like the speaker grill here. Just trying to get all the little paint and dye and whatever's left, all the dirt and grime that's in there out. And it's kind of tedious, so I'm just gonna sit here in my golf cart with my Scotch-Brite pad and sand it down. Just taking this grill here and taking this pick and going in, after I've already Scotch-Brited it, and just going in and getting all the little leftover pieces that you really can't get to without a pick, just to get it, more detailed, so that way there's no, little bumps or shadows or anything like that when you lay the titanium over it, because if there's any black under it, it's going to cause like a shadow or, difference in texture looking, definitely a difference in height of material and things like that. So you just want to get in there and clean it out the best you can. I think that's coming out really good. Got a little more cleaning to do, but it's getting there. Want to make it perfect, you got to put the time in on it, and really go in on the prep work hard, because anybody can sand it down and paint it right away or whatever, but take your time and detail it, really good, and get in the nooks and crannies and everything when you're prepping it, and it'll show in your finished result for sure, So, well, look at that. I guess they wrote something in the sky behind me while I was sitting here. Pretty cool. I hope you guys really do know that Jesus does love you. As much, time as we spend on, whoa. I hope you really get the message that's written in the sky behind us. I know this video is about fox bodies and restoration and stuff like that, but Jesus really does love us, and sometimes we need to do some restoration on our lives. So remember that, as you're moving through life, don't always just fix up a car. Sometimes we got to fix up ourselves. I'm trying to work on myself to make myself a better person. I hope you are too. Life's all about trying to be the best person that you can before you leave here. Bible stands for basic instructions before leaving earth. Okay, so it's like a boot camp. We're here on earth. It's like a boot camp to learn how to become a better person, so that way when we move on, we already have the training and the know-how and the skill set to move on to the next chapter that God has for us. So just want you guys to remember that as we're moving through life. Jesus loves us, and there's always room for restoring ourselves, not just our cars. So God bless you. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share, comment, and see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.